Good morning, students. Welcome to Maths class of grade 7 of Basava Residential Girls School. I am Yashasvi, your maths teacher. Students, in today's class, we shall study about addition and subtraction of decimals. In our previous classes, we had studied about addition and subtraction of fractions. But there are differences between the addition and subtraction of decimals as well as fractions. To learn about this topic, first of all, I've taken an example 21.36 plus 37.35. Since it is addition, greater number and smaller number can be placed one below the other. There is no differentiation. So now let me start adding. 6 plus 5 is 11. So 1 here and 1 on the top. Then 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. I have to put a point here because here there are decimal points. Below that only I have pointed out a decimal point. Now coming to the left side, 1 plus 7 is 8. There is no carry forward, so I am adding again 3 plus 2 is 5. So here ends my answer. So this is how we need to add the decimal numbers. Since addition is easy, let us quickly move on to the subtraction topic. We have to always place the bigger number above the smaller number. This is the correct method to enable ourselves to get the right answer. So let me start subtracting. 29.35 minus 04.56. So 5 minus 6, I need to take a carry forward. So instead of 5, I am borrowing 1 from 3, it becomes 15. Then here 1 is less, so 3 minus 1 is 2. Now let me subtract. 15 minus 6 is 9. Then again here 2 minus 5 is wrong, which means 2 will not be subtracted by 5. I have to take a carry forward again, and here I am deducting 1, so it becomes 8. 12 minus 5 is 8. Point again, decimal under decimal. 8 minus 4, yes, of course we can subtract 4. And 2 minus 0 is 2 itself. So this is how we need to subtract. And we have to be careful while borrowing one digit from the left digit. Now let us start multiplying the decimal numbers. To study that, let us solve two examples. 0.2 into 6. So 6 into 2 is equal to 6 2s are 12. So 1 I have carried here. 6 zeros are 0 plus 1 is 1. So here be careful while putting the decimal point. Ones and tens. So there are 2 points here, 2 digits. So again ones and tens. So this is how we mark the decimal point. But be careful, there is differentiation while pointing out the decimal point under multiplication as well as addition and subtraction. Now let us multiply two more numbers. 4.6 into 8. So 8 multiplied by 6, which means 8 6 are how much? 48. So 8 I am putting it here and 4 as the next digit. 4 is on the next digit. Now 8 multiplied by 4. 8 4s are 32. 32 I am writing here roughly, plus 4. So how much is it? 4 plus 2, 6 and 3. So I am writing this number here, 3, 6 and 8. So here I have one place after decimal. So similarly I have to mark it here in the product I have got. So 8, one digit after decimal. So 36.8 is my answer. Now let us solve a word problem. Let me read out the question. The side of an equilateral triangle is 3.5 centimeter. Find its perimeter. So this is a triangle, an equilateral triangle in which all the sides are equal. So I need to find the perimeter. So the side of each, the measurement of each side is 3.5 centimeter, which means all the sides measure 3.5 centimeter. Since length of each side is 3.5 centimeter, perimeter, the formula we shall apply here, perimeter is equal to 3 multiplied by 3.5 centimeter. So again we have to apply the multiplication method under decimal numbers. So here let me work out it. 3.5 into 3. 5 3s are 15. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 is 10. Now it's time for me to mark the decimal point. So there is one digit after the decimal point. So here I am marking again one digit after the decimal point. So 10.5 is my answer. 10.5 centimeter is the perimeter of this equilateral triangle, which measures 3.5 centimeter on each side. Students, let us continue in the next class. Thank you.